Hi, it's Amber. Let's go over locations within Evolve Electrical. Keep in mind, the location panel will be within both Evolve Electrical and Evolve Mechanical. Let's understand what's within the location panel first. So first we have our create location, we have assign location, we have location manager, and we have location settings. Within the settings, you do have a good amount of options to be able to play around with when it comes to different statuses, if you want to adjust your sheet settings, and also your schedule settings as well. These are project settings, so keep that in mind. You can easily export and import those into your next project as well. So next, let's create a location itself. So let's go up here and say create location, and let's place in that location in the desired location. Keep in mind when it comes to defining your location, it can be either by room, by area, by level, however you want to identify that location itself. So first, I'm able to come in here and place my location. It is going to be a default in a perfect little square, but there is some options for some more odd-shaped rooms if need be. So you can either stretch out your location to fall in line with the desired location. Keep in mind, make sure everything you want to be assigned to that location falls within the defined area. You can easily also align your locations to the desired needs as well. Once we have our location defined here, we can go into our properties and you can start to play around with the information that is shown. So if I want a different location name, I can enter that in. The naming convention will be whatever makes sense to you and your project needs. Then you can come in here and have your type, your status, and also if you have a scope box assigned. Next, let's assign the elements to that location itself. So let's go up to our assign location. When it comes to assigning location, you have a few options. We have entire project, we have selected locations, and we have existing locations. When selecting the existing locations, you will be able to have a drop down and it will list all of the locations within your project itself. So I'm going to select my 2 locations here within my existing locations. I'm going to press OK. And now every element that falls within that location will be assigned to that location. So let's zoom in here and select this receptacle here. You're going to see now we do have that EVLBS ID as Winter Wonderland 01. Let's go over here and select this receptacle here. Now you can see this one has an ID of Winter Wonderland 02. After you have assigned your elements to that location, you can go into your location manager. Your location manager will list all of your locations within your project itself. You can easily come in here and start to sort and filter. Once you have these selected, I can come in here and generate a sheet. So generate sheets. The title block itself you can choose between. We do ship a good amount of title blocks preset up for you, but you can modify them to meet your standards. So let's select our 24 by 36 LBS and press OK. And what this is doing is it's going to be generating your sheet, your schedule, and all of your views for that location itself. So now let's go open sheets. Once your sheets have been created, then you're able to modify those sheets if need be, add some dimensions, add tags, anything like that that is needed for that sheet itself. You can also modify your title block. So again, this title block can show any information that you need when it comes to the different schedules or different views that are needed for that location itself. So that is today's video going over the locations panel within both Evolve Electrical and Evolve Mechanical, but focusing on Evolve Electrical today. You're able to easily create a location, assign a location, and within your location manager, you're able to quickly generate your sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video going over locations with a little bit of a holiday spin to it. If you're enjoying this video series, keep following along throughout the month. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.